Imagine for a moment you are in the age of your grandfather. It's like 1940, 60, 70. You are in the time, and what you feel at the time without internet. You feel just like Vrathil at the time. You are suffocated at the time, and you feel, what the hell is this? Because you are so acquainted with the internet, and you are widely connected with the network and the internet world. That's why you are just imagine to feel at that time in that kind of situation. But actually this is not at that time. They are not a habit of this, and they are not very used to this. That's why they are not feeling at the time. So now if you feel you at the time, then you will be in the very terrific condition. So hello everyone, Ranjan Giri this side, and wishing you lots of wishes with regards. I'm here to take the session about the internet. What is the use of internet, and what is the effect of internet? So internet take a much more criteria in the life. Internet take a lots of work in in our life, or in the corporate world, in the anything. That's why you can check in the example in the corporate world, in the technical skill, in practical skills, theoretical skills, in everywhere internet is present. We cannot imagine our life without internet. Now the technology is developing day by day, and this is only the base of internet. Now the medical science is developing, and also the other technical things are developing with the basis of internet, and they are just taking the advantages of internet and using the skills and using their requirement practical knowledge to it, and they are using the internet into their life. So nowadays internet is the basic role that is played. Now we can just imagine it's like this. We can live without air, but we can't live without internet connection. Now everyone is using internet. That doesn't mean what the age that have a small child to a elder person, that those all are using internet, and they are habituated. Internet have a lots of things. It may take in the wrong way or the right way, but that's you to guide yourself. You have to go in the right way or in the wrong way. There are lots of things. If you want to learn in from internet, then you can learn a lot of more. And if you want to be in the wrong way, then you can do the most worst thing in the internet. Now as you see, in COVID time we are using internet as our educational purpose, and also in our working purpose. Work from home, study from home, or class from home is like this. So internet is helping a lot to ourselves, but simultaneously it is giving some stress to the human life. As like this, when the time internet is not at the time, people are very much happy, very much stressful at the time. But now you feel at the time everyone is connected with the other person with a fraction of second, and every problem arises that can be spread a lots of things, that spread widely in a quick manner. And if someone is not too interested in this message, he is penetrated in this message, and he is going to be suppressed by the message, the wrong message. So now internet taking a lots of things in a day. So we can't imagine the world without internet up to now, for next year. So internet taking a basic role nowadays. So now internet is the base of the day. So up to this, signing out, Ranjan Giri.